us. So everybody out here wants to be successful, right? Do you all agree with me that everybody wants to be successful? But when do you get successful? First thing is you need to get chance. You need to get a chance to do something. When you get a chance, you need to perform to your full potential. Also, both of these things need to happen simultaneously. You also need to get a chance to do something. Like I just told you a story about my friend who really did not get that chance because he did not project himself in a particular way. So today when we see go to a particular website also, why do the aesthetics also make a difference? Because aesthetics also make a difference. We don't just judge from the logo, we just judge from that small website, that how the company is, that acha Reliance की है तो ऐसी होनी चाहिए, Tata की है तो अच्छा ये ऐसी है, अच्छा इससे अच्छी तो मैं भी बना सकता हूँ, something like that. So here we are not saying that appearance cannot take place of hard skills, but tell me that how many when was the last time where anybody went out without wearing clothes? So everybody has wears something or the other while going out. So why, or in the house, wherever. So why not, if it is a resource, why should you make it work against you? It's better to make it work for you. When you look the part, you feel the part, and then you act the part and become the part. So image management is inside out. So we see a lot of companies, a lot of, like, let's say, let's talk about US. So many companies in US have the culture of casual dressing, wear whatever you want. That is impacting so much of their psyche. Like, let's say we are sitting for a meeting, and you just wear a shirt, and below you wear some shorts and sit. Immediately it's going to impact your performance. It is going to make a difference. It is going to make some change. And let's say you are wearing a complete formal outfit that you would wear when you go to your work physically, and you wear that and sit. So automatically it is going to make some difference. And it's very important to try it out and see that how you feel. Of course, we'll be talking more about it in the next few slides. So let's say it's a extremely you are going for an interview, and this is a t-shirt which is a loose t-shirt that you're wearing, and this is a shirt that is a collared shirt, proper collared shirt, ironed, etc., that you will be wearing. So where do you think that the performance that you have and will come out, and where will you feel more comfortable, where will, and how will the person judge you just by the by these two clothes? Like, let's say if you're wearing this, how will you be perceived in an interview? Is anybody
Look more professional.
right?
You're
So we all
serious
have,
about your work.
right. So we all have a protocol where everybody knows that यहाँ पे ये पहनना चाहिए, वहाँ पे वो पहनना चाहिए. So the image management includes, I would say, A, B, C, D. A is appearance, that is the outward appearance. Behavior, that is something based on your values and attitudes. Communication, that is how you communicate and how good are you in communication, and your digital footprint. You can project a winning image when your clothes are appropriate to your roles and goals. So let's say you're going for a office party or a wedding. Let's say you're going for a wedding, and if you wear Indian clothes, obviously going to look more acceptable and more appropriate. If we wear something like jeans and a t-shirt, it's not going to look appropriate for that occasion. It should be authentic. It should also reflect your values and personality. So some people are very comfortable wearing certain colors. Like some people wouldn't wear bold prints. They wouldn't wear extremely bright colored clothes. They would wear a particular, shades, things like that. So that's absolutely okay. It should be authentic to what you are as a person. Attractive should accommodate your body shape, face shape, and personal colors. So all of us have a particular shape, whether we are a man or a woman. And it is very important to dress according to our personal shape. We also have a have a face shape, and we should, you know, wear, like, which includes the glasses that we wear, or the glares that we wear. We all have personal colors. So certain colors would look good on us. Like, if you remember the 90s, you know, Govinda had just started wearing those extremely bright colors. And not everybody could copy him, and not everybody could look good when they copied him. So it was restricted to only one or two film stars, and they really looked good on them. It should also be affordable. As an image consultant, I wouldn't say that you need to spend extra on your clothes, but wear clothes which suit you, which enhance your personality, and which, you know, bring out a side of you that you want to project. I would say we know all these personalities. They are all television personalities whom we say, and you see the kind of clothes that they wear are authentic according to the way they are, and according to their own personality. So what you wear and the way you look impacts the way you think, feel, behave, and the way others respond to you also. If you are going to wear something extremely, not going to pay attention to your body, your clothes, your appearance, I'm sure nobody else would. There is nobody else who would not, who would give attention to you if you don't give attention to yourself. Again, I am repeating, it's not about the hard skills that you don't need to, you know, uh, but an appearance is really going to change your personality, and from you from within also. So what matters most is how you see yourself. So image management is a process which is inside out and not outside in. The minute you see yourself as a very confident personality, a very attractive personality, authentic, you will also start dressing up like this, and others will also perceive you like this. So it all begins from you. It's very important to dress up according to roles, goals, occasions, attitudes, values, body shape, personal colors, and affordability.